For centuries, the west of Northern Ireland has offered the visitor a change of pace. Immersion in the timeless, tranquil landscapes of County Fermanagh and the rolling hills of the Sperrins in neighbouring County Tyrone. But in more recent times, this area has also offered one of the very best golfing destinations in the country. This is the Lough Erne Resort. It's just over a decade old, but feels like it's been here forever. Golf legends like Sir Nick Faldo, who designed the course, and Rory McIlroy, the club's first touring professional, were involved from the start.
A few years ago, the resort hosted the G8 Summit. The world's most powerful people probably didn't have time to enjoy all that the resort has to offer. Make sure you don't make the same mistake.
Fermanagh is renowned for being half land and half water, and that provides the perfect opportunity for messing about in boats. With Barry.
Barry, do you realise how lucky you are being able to make a living like this?
It's definitely not a bad office, is it? No, I love it out here. It's absolutely peaceful and beautiful, and it's really good for the soul.
Passengers must love it too.
They do. They love being out here and just taking in the scenery and seeing a bit of the wildlife. We've got so much to see around here, so it's great. Bringing people to the most beautiful parts of the upper and lower Lough Erne, and we also do a water taxi service as well. So we're based in the island town of Enniskillen, and from there we can go to people's favourite bars and restaurants and cafes. And we take people to Devonish, White Island, Crom Estate, Inishmack Saint. We've now got a distillery on the loch up here, so it's great. Just wherever they want to go, really,
Special part of the world.
Aye, well, I think so anyway, but I'm biased.
The island town of Enniskillen is at the centre of the county both literally and metaphorically, especially when it comes to the lively nighttime economy.
Don't miss the immaculately presented Omagh Golf Club in neighbouring County Tyrone. It's another with water in play, this time from the meandering Drumra River. Wherever you're heading on to after that, don't be leaving hungry.
Especially not when there's a restaurant like Grant's in the town centre. Here, all the portions are magnificent par fives. Here is your round in the West recapped. Set your own itinerary or follow the one we've suggested.